Hey guys, so I just got this upgrade in for the Acer. This is a Wi-Fi card, 1200 megabits per second. Not the best thing ever, but more than good enough for this machine. Probably faster than the internet we got here. Focusing through Ethernet, but there's a chance I might be switching rooms with my cousin eventually, and even then I'm not even in the first room yet. And the second room does not have the network equipment in it, and I don't feel like running a PoE, not power. I don't feel like running a power line Ethernet setup, but I've already taken the plastic off of this box because that had the address on, so let's open her up. We have a card, some other stuff, this is hardware, and 2 antennae. The instructions, ooh, a mini CD of software. This is a driver disc. There's definitely a mini CD or mini DVD, I don't know which. So let's open up this package. I bought this on Fleabay. It was a new item. This is apparently a PCIe card. I'm putting a 16x or a 1x card. Some caps over the antenna ports, so that's good. Pulling it out of the bag here. And it appears to be like a 1 or a 4x card. So, nice. Nice. So it's just standard antenna cap on the back end of the card. This bag here of extra hardware. It's a thing. Oh, well, isn't that nice? Came with a complimentary low-profile bracket, which I might actually need. Like, I'm almost certainly going to need that low-profile bracket. We've got a cable. Whatever the fuck that one's supposed to do. This cable even does. I think connects it to the header on the board, I'm guessing. But fuck off, Twitter. I'll worry about this cable later on, and we have a screw, which I don't need because the case already has a screw holding the blank. Let me get these antennae out of the bag. So they're nicer antennae than I tend to see on Wi-Fi cards and stuff. So let me find my... Oh, there's my iFixit kit. I was taking my synth partially apart and putting it back together. So let me get the screwdriver out of it. I'm getting a decently large bit for the case screws. It's got the largest bit it's got. Computer. Screw number the first one. Fuck off. Screw number the second one. And screw number the third one. That I keep feeling like I'm gonna strip. I'm definitely gonna need to throw the low profile bracket on this. Yeah, like I said, this case definitely needs low profile stuff. It is a small form factor computer. And I'm actually going to remove the modem card that's in here, which is staying with the PCIe. Like I said, I think it's a 1x slot, because I don't need a 56K modem. But profile bracket. I think you might be on it, dog. All over. Maybe it's not. Yeah. Khalifa, down, boy. Down. Hey, down. Wake up. Oh. I'll let you back up here in a couple minutes once I get this card installed, doggo. Khalifa, go run off to the kitchen and eat a snack or something. And I just managed to hit myself in the head with the computer case. So yeah, there's that modem card. Oh, there's the bracket. Make sure that will fit. Yeah. Fits perfectly in the back end of this computer, so I'm going to just swamp the brackets out here. Yeah, I guess I should have figured to look for one that was low profile. That had a low profile bracket, but this one did. So good on you, unknown manufacturer. Oh, if I remove the cuffs. Fuck you. Fuck you. So yes, I screwed one off. Okay, so I got that done. Screws out of my mouth now. I'm weird. Drop the card in. I don't want to go into the slot for some reason. So let me try the 16X slot. I'm almost starting to wonder now what form factor this motherboard is. I know you can't do a swap or anything like that for another board because this board does not have an I/O shield. The I/O shield is actually built directly into the back end of the case, and you'd have to get something with a compatible I/O shield, or well, it should just be another one of these Acer boards in this time frame. You wouldn't be getting any new things, or you just have to drill it out. I just had to pop it down a little bit. I'm guessing I was just used to the old modem card in this machine, which had been sitting in there for over 10 years, so. I shall screw the card into place. It's now good and secure. I don't know if I'm going to need that cable it came with. I don't even know what the hell that cable is for. There goes the dog doing dog things. Gonna attach the antenna to the back end of the card. So these are good solid antennae, and they're fairly long too. I can't find the script the computer had already, so I'm going to use the one that came with the card. I know I found the messenger screw. See, because I couldn't even find the card screw that can't. Oh shit, that's not even a screw, that's one of the caps. Fuck. Oh, there's a screw. Found it. I'm trying to screw the blank back into place with the 16x slot. Okay, so we got this, the blank back. I could have gotten this done minutes ago, but I had to do this on the couch. You know, let me take a look at that cable and see if this board even has the header that cable would connect to. Fuck did the box go? Oh, rip cable, I guess. Down there. Well, I think this card should be bus. This card should be able to be bus powered. Anyway, I mean, I used to have a Dell Inspiron 620 desktop from several years later than this machine. It had a Core i3 2120, 4 gigs of DDR3 RAM, and a terabyte of storage split across two 500 gig drives, but I think it was okay. But anyways, though, it had a Dell Wi-Fi card that wouldn't work on any other machine, but, because I tried it, and eventually just scrapped it, because I didn't have another Dell desktop at the time. And the only Dell desktop I've got now doesn't even have PCIe, it just has PCI. It doesn't even have AGP, which is stupid. But, anyways, that was a bus-powered card. So, I think this one should be able to be bus-powered as well. And I'd install the software right now, but I don't. My keyboard is elsewhere. My monitor needs to be cleaned off, and it don't even have an aux cord to get sound into the monitor because it has built-in speakers. And my external speakers, subwoofers down here, but the two satellite speakers and the control pod are up at Ma's house, and I headed back up there for a while. I ain't never moved back in there. You know me in